We don't just build cars. We create experiences that spark emotion. With a strong heritage in moving forward and leading the way. When society evolves, our technology evolves with it. Now is the time to drive innovation once again. Pioneering the head-up display was just the beginning. And now, we've gone one step further. The first ever BMW Panoramic Vision. Together with the all-new central display and its iconic design, we have created an even more centralized driver layout. Crafted to the last pixel. The BMW Panoramic Vision has a clear focus on quick and easy readability of the key information in the right place and above the 3D head-up display, providing guidance directly in the driver's line of sight. In combination with the new multifunction steering wheel, these four core elements seamlessly create a holistic system. The first ever BMW Panoramic iDrive.
Right. That is exciting. I didn't know it would be so exciting just turning on a car, you know? It's amazing. But I have to